Okay, so basically what he's trying to do is he's trying to...
it's done it.
He's doing
trying
Yngwie.
to not break the red off.
Oh dear.
It's done it anyway, and I've just made it more space.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's broken that. So I'll try and just glue that back on with some super glue. It probably won't work. It's out of line. You see, the neck, the Yngwie Malmsteen neck, is wider than this hole.
Yeah.
That's 2 3/16 hole.
Yeah.
And that's a 2 1/4 inch neck.
Yeah.
So it doesn't fit, obviously.
So without putting this in some kind of jig...
Don't touch it.
I'm not going to touch it.
Okay.
So you get the this, yeah?
Yeah.
And you do that.
Yeah.
How do you know? Surely
that's why I've put them lines there.
No, I know that, but don't you need to get the end of this in a bit of a jig so you know exactly what angle?
What are you talking about?
That is at there. So here, look there.
Yeah.
How do you know exactly what angle to get it at without putting in some kind of jig?
You don't. You put it. You glue it on. You screw it on.
But surely you need to.
I can't take anything off that neck.
You need to re-drill some holes, don't you? So
I've done them.
How do you know where to put the holes?
Them?
Yeah.
Well, I've just marked them out and they're wrong.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
On this neck. So they're fixed holes.
Yeah.
Right. And they were drilled badly.
Yeah.
Somebody's been trying to fit it something else. This has come off another guitar.
Yeah, no, I get that.
So I've filled them with maple.
Yeah.
And glued them on.
Yeah.
They glued the maple sticks in I've made.
Yeah.
Call them dowels if you want.
Yeah.
And they're set now. So I'm going to, when I'm cut this properly, very carefully with this thingy, that's, I've had this fitted already.
Yeah.
But this time, even though I've just sanded a little bit more off, just in little bits at a time.
Yeah. I think what I was wondering was if you fit the neck in and then put the screws through into the neck, how do you know the neck is at the right angle? It's actually straight compared to the bridge.
Well, that's why I'm marking it all up with pencil marks.
So how will you then adjust the neck sitting in the neck slot?
Socket.
Yeah. To make sure it's perfectly straight.
We shouldn't need to adjust it when I've got it right. It'll fit right.
I don't think what I'm trying to say is translating very well.
It is. You're saying, how do I make it go that way? If it's that way.
How do you ensure that it's perfectly straight compared to the bridge?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. That's why I put the marks there. Where it's coming from.
I think that's what I kind of meant was, would you have like a bit of metal that goes to the nut at the top? You know this, isn't it? Fender. They've heard you talking about this neck problem. They're ringing you.
Let's hope this works.
Oh dear.
I'm hoping it will go underneath,
mean,
yeah. And then I'll have to leave it then.
Oh yeah, look, yeah, it looks like it's.
Is it osmosising itself
there,
in?
I think it's worked. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake!
I haven't glued myself to it.
It just fell off, look.
Oh, it has. Mind you, I'll be taking most of it out, so it doesn't matter.
Oh dear. Well, don't throw that bit away.
I'm not going to. Where is it? Throw it away.
Yeah, it's here, look.
No, don't. No,
it's there.
Okay, well,
do you want it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't you realise sometimes when somebody's doing you a fucking favour? This is not an operating theatre, Doug. We're not transplanting brains. Grab it, bastard. God, you're awkward, aren't you, sometimes? There you go.
Well, I can never work out whether it's worth saving sometimes. Because I'm taking a lot more. I see, I've got to, you can see that I've got to change the neck that way.
Yeah.
No, a bit that way.
So that means you've got to adjust how the saddle sits.
Yeah.
This job's turning into a
I don't want to cut all that out to move this across. So, and this isn't fitting properly anyway, so I'm better off taking all this lot out.
See, if you start chopping into the body for that bridge, it's going to be a respray job, isn't it? If you're not careful.
Yeah, that's the trouble trying to fix these paint jobs. On this edge particularly, because it's a very sharp edge. And you can guarantee what's just happened or will happen.
Yeah, but the thing, whoever made this body, they weren't planning on somebody else
putting a different size neck on.
Chiseling it, were they?
Well, no, I haven't. I haven't chiseled the edge either. I've chiseled
The inside.
The inside of the paint finish, and then I've sanded the edge of the neck, which I'm still doing because there's still a lot to go.
When do you want this for?
He doesn't say. He's got plenty. He's got all them melons to play, hasn't he?
Yeah, yeah. Fair enough. Do 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 do.
Yeah, we've still got a bit to go, haven't we? But it's getting there, so it's not far off now.
Well, aren't you measuring the fretboard there, though?
Pardon?
You're measuring the fretboard, don't you need to measure the actual neck?
It's the same width. It's only
Okay,
flat.
just checking, yeah.
Square.
You know me, like to keep on top of things. There's no need to laugh, is there? If I didn't turn up here, your life would be worse if I didn't turn up. I tell you, keep you on straight and narrow, I do. Everybody says it, you know, behind your back.
Yeah,
They message me.
It's 57, so I'm to 56 haulers still, so it's got to be growing a bit more now.
56.999.1.
Yeah, no, it's got to go to 57. Well, what is it, really, the neck?
Well, you've got the vernier.
57 point something, I think.
You're on an angle there, Doug.
58, so I am on an angle, you're quite right. There's
Yeah.
no space, ever.
Hey, listen, calm down.
57.5, which is exactly 2 1/4.
57.5.
So I was right, 2 1/4.
Yeah.
So I've got to take some more out of this.
Jolly good, jolly good.
So we might not, that piece of red stuff still stayed there anyway.
Do you think you're best taking the little bit out of that top edge? This one here.
It'll do the
Well,
same.
but then again, that'd be quicker, won't it? But has it got to be even on both sides?
I'm doing on both sides.
Yeah.
I've done these before, you know.
Yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do you see much of that, you know, the guy who does, the joiner guy who did this place, and his son who does the wood, the dry kiln stuff, is his dad still alive? You know, the guy, the young lad who does the Stuart, who does the wood
Stuart, yeah.
habits, is his dad still with us?
I don't know, I haven't seen him for ages.
Because he stopped going up the,
Pete.
I can't remember his first name.
Pete's his dad.
Yeah, yeah, is he still okay?
Yeah, I think so. I've not heard anything.
Just wondering whether he get...
I had Mick the plumber across the other day, so he'd have told me. Because he lives next door, but...
Oh, does he?
To Pete Abbott, yeah.
Do you see much of the glass man? Pete the Glass?
No, Steve the Glass.
Steve the
no.
Glass.
No, we've got a nice fit now.
Oh,
So
jolly
I
good.
can glue that red bit on again now. Oh, I keep doing that with it. Oh,
With your big clumsy fucking sausage fingers, you've got no chance of getting that in.
there's every chance.
Bullshit. Fucking a Labrador would be have an easy job of putting that in with its paw. I bet you end up with these stuck to your...
Yes, I will end up with it stuck
Stuck
to
to
my
your finger for
but
about-
deliberately because I'm using kiddie glue.
the next month.
This
Oh, yeah.
is the kind of glue. That's the only kind of glue that you'd be safe with.
You underestimate my abilities, you do.
I've seen you putting that light bulb in for me.
Okay, so I totally ruined
Fucked up, yeah.
your life shape. Well, if you go around having like bloody student squat shithole paper lanterns
I like paper lanterns.
at your age, it's fucking disgraceful.
No, it isn't. I like them. I've tried everything else and I didn't
Exactly.
like them. It didn't suit the house.
Fucking student losers have them. Even I don't have them in my house anymore.
Well, I've got them in my house because I
Go to a
like
nice
them.
light shop and get yourself a lovely chandelier or
I've
something.
had all that bollocks and I don't want it. Tried it all and I don't like it. Most of it's crap.
Yeah, good point. I used to have one of those paper things in my bedroom, and like it was that dusty. When I went to like change the light bulb once on it, I fucking like about 3 inches of dust just fucking descended from the ceiling down onto all over the bed.
I think I'm better off painting that, you know. Try and repair it with that piece of rubbish. Probably painting it better, it'd be better.
I don't know. I think that's the little critter's fucking choice, isn't it?
It'll probably end up as a melon anyway.
Well, ask him. Or chili.
Hello?
I've just seen you with some red paint.
Yes, I've done it. I've put the red paint in. Drying now. When I polish it, you won't be able to tell I've done it.
Yeah. Oh, fucking hell, you put the radio on. What are you doing?
You're only talking.
Just for a second. Yeah, good point, yeah. I'll sit back up. I'll give me another minute, then I'm going to go.
Have you gone yet?
Right then, so you got another lovely customer coming in a bit. What are they bringing, Doug?
Well, it's John Carter.
John, oh right, okay.
He's coming.
Right, brilliant, okay. Well, I messaged him last night, actually, about something else. Right then, listen, I'm going to shoot off.
Yeah.
So you have a lovely time tonight.
Where you're going to see Jordan?
If you were going to go, I might have gone.
Yeah.
But, I don't know.
No, I'm definitely going up the sheet tonight.
Is Dave doing the Jordan thing tonight?
I don't know. I should imagine either Dave or Damien and Harriet will be.
Well, maybe. I'll see how I get on. I think I've got some Brussels sprouts.
Say hello to everybody.
If I do go, yeah. Well, I'll definitely be going to Coppen Hall tomorrow.
Yeah. Should be
And
nice there.
if you bear in mind that we do Blue Christmas and Fairy Tale of New York,
Yeah.
with some woman singing,
Yeah.
or a man, of
Well,
course.
Blue Christmas is dead easy, isn't it?
Yeah, but like, well, you tell that to our friend Dave. He doesn't know it. There you go.
No, he just busks it.
I'm only telling you what the spirits are telling me, Doug. But tomorrow, so we can attempt those two tracks, then a bit of, I suppose Howie will be there, so need to drop him a line, say we're going to do this, and he'll just like go away and learn it, won't he?
Yeah.
Spot on. Right, Doug, have a pleasant time, don't get too pissed, you know what you like.
I don't get pissed, I don't drink much anymore.
I know, it's a joke.
I know.
It's a joke. Lovely to see you today. I know you feel the same about me.
Oh yes, I'm ecstatic.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Adios.
Yeah. I've got this Fender pickups here.
It's all gone very sombre. I thought you'd be happier to see me leave. You normally are.
I'm sorry, I've been too busy thinking. I know that'll not do.
Lovely, right then, adios.
Yes, well I think I've got the neck socket.
Yeah.
Sorted out. I say it's a 2 3/16,
Yeah.
and that's a 2 1/4 the neck. So, but it's centering the neck to the bridge rung as well.
Yeah.
Because of the way that's been cut.
Yeah, yeah.
So that'll all get sorted now.
Yeah. Oh, that's really good.
But this is going to be very sudden, the colouring on this guitar is, because if you look,
Jesus.
we've got a red guitar with a maroony kind of red plastic.
I don't know about that.
No, that's going to that. So it doesn't match. Look, it's more orangey, that is. So that's going in this yellow pick guard, which isn't that lovely?
I thought that was like a plastic cover.
Isn't that just like, yeah.
It's yellow. That'd be daft. It is yellow.
It certainly is, isn't it?
Oh. Well, he likes his vivid colours, doesn't he?
He does.
You know what? Who am I to say that's not nice?
No, neither am I.
I know you say it.
I'm laughing, but I'm not taking the piss. I like John anyway.
Yeah, he seems like a nice guy.
Yeah.
I think that'll definitely stand out. You know, when it works, I always think you can't judge what a guitar looks like. It never looks finished until you've got strings across a fretboard.
That's right.
Yeah. Never quite looks complete until it is complete. Well, he'll certainly catch the audience's eye with this guitar when he's performing. Yeah. Right, anyway, yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Right, Doug, adios.
Yes, have a nice Christmas.
No, I'll see you tomorrow,
See
you
you around.
turd.
Oh, right.
I'll see you tomorrow. Can't you remember anything? Anyone would think you didn't give a fuck about anybody else. First in the queue, me.
Where would you get that
First
idea
in the
from?
queue, me. Oh, we had a great video, you know, the one I did the other day.
Yeah.
It was absolutely perfect. It's the best ending. I had to chuckle to myself. I did it last night. It's where I'm talking to you, and you're saying nothing. I said, "You're not even listening, are you?" And you went, "No, not really." So I just go, "Oh, fuck you then," and then that just ends, and you go, "Have you gone yet?" But beautiful ending. All totally off the cuff as well.
Oh, good.
Not even scripted. Yeah.
Well, we haven't ever scripted anything.
Not really. Right, Doug. Look after yourself. See you later.
Yeah, you
Bye.
will.